I'm going to show you how to install DaVinci Resolve in 1 minute. First thing you want to do is you want to search DaVinci Resolve download. Next, find blackmagicdesign.com and click on it. So you should be on this page, so just scroll down and click free download now. Then you click Mac OS. If you're doing paid, push Studio. Then you just fill in all this information and push register and download. You should see this screen and it should start automatically. If it doesn't, just click that. Now that you finished installing it, just open up the file. You should get this window. Then you push install Resolve 18.0.4 or whatever version it's currently at. Then you'll get this screen up and you just go through all this. You have to allow it to install software onto your computer. Then once that's done, you can just push close and you can move the installer to trash. You don't need to keep it. Now if you open up applications, you should see DaVinci Resolve. You can make a shortcut on your desktop or whatever you want. Okay, you now have DaVinci Resolve installed and you can start editing.